Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Anwar, and today I am going to explain something very important for you, and that is the causative verb make. How to use make as a causative verb. Here you can see in this sentence we have two subjects, and accordingly we have two verbs. Normally, to complete a sentence or to make sense, one subject and one verb is sufficient. But here in this sentence, the reason is why we have two different kind of or set of sentences like I make and you speak. There are two sets of sentences and they are clubbed together. So this subject, the job of this subject is, this is causing this person to do this. And that's why this verb is called a causative verb. I make you speak. मतलब मैं आपको बुलवाता हूँ. Just like that, you can also say I make you laugh. मतलब मैं आपको हंसाता हूँ. I make him go. मैं उसको भगाता हूँ. This kind of sentences normally we say like this. If you want to change the tense of this, for example, I make is simple present sentence. If you want to change it to simple past sentence, then all the changes will happen here, not here. This will stay the same. For example, मैंने आपको बुलवाया. I made you speak. I made you speak. I make you speak. मैं आपको बुलवाता हूँ. He makes you speak. If you have he, she, it, you need to use ses with the verb. So you can say he makes you speak. इसी तरह मैं आपको बुलवाऊंगा. We will say I will make you speak. और मैं आपको हंसाऊंगा. You can try this sentence. मैं आपको हंसाऊंगा. Try it in English and write it in the comment below. You can also make other sentences like that where we have make as a causative verb. If you want, you can change the subject here. You can also change the subject here. You can say the mother makes her child sleep. Means माँ अपने बच्चे को सुलाती है. Just like that, you can use make. I think now you have learned how to use make in different tenses, different sentences. Now you can make sentences like that. So try making it and write in the comment below. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.